All right, let's take a look at this homework question that was sent to me. It says graph the line through 0, comma, -1 with m equals -2. So a few things we need to pay attention to. When you're graphing a line, you want it to be in a form mx, y equals mx plus b. M tells you the slope, b tells you the y-intercept. Now, they didn't give it to us in that form, but they did give us the information. The y-intercept is always in a form 0, comma, b, whatever that y value is. So in this problem, it says graph the line through this point 0, comma, -1, 0, comma, -1. They're letting us know what the y-intercept is. The y-intercept b is equal to -1. Then they told us m is equal to -2. So they're telling us our slope is equal to -2. Whenever we have a slope, remember your slope tells you your rise over your run. If the top number is positive, that means you're going to go up. If the top number is negative, that means you're going to go down. If the bottom number is positive, that means you're going to go to the right. If your bottom number is negative, that means you go to the left. Okay? Now with this slope, we just have a -2. There's no denominator. So whenever you have a whole number and you want to do the slope, you're going to put your whole number over 1. That's how we make a whole number into a fraction. So that means that's our rise over our run. And because that's a -2, you're going to go down. And because it's a +1, you're going to go to your right in this case. Okay. And our slope, our y-intercept is -1. All right. So let's go ahead and plot this. So this is, oops, this is your x-axis. This is your y-axis. When you're plotting it, the first thing you always plot is your y-intercept. That's step 1. Plot your y-intercept. Your y-intercept, the way it crosses the y-axis, our y-intercept is 0, comma, -1. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is -1, -2, -3, -4. On the y-axis, this is -1, -2, -3, -4. On the y-axis going up, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so this is at 0, comma, -1. That's our y-intercept. And then my slope is -2, so I'm going to go down to from my y-intercept, I'm going to count down 1, 2, and then I'm going to go to my right 1. That's my run. All right, so that's -2, count down 1, 2 to my right 1. Okay, and then you should be able to connect the dots. And that is how you graph this line. That's it. Let me go ahead and connect the dots here. Okay, let's adjust this because you want it to go through the points. And that is how you would graph a line through the point 0, comma, -1 with a slope of -2. And so you just plot the point first, 0, comma, -1, and you use your slope to count either up or down, then left or right to get to the next point. And that's it, the end.